Hi guys, how's it going? I hope you all are having a great day. Welcome to the brand new React and Materialise CSS course. In this course, we will discuss the basics of React and also Materialise CSS. In case if you don't know what is React, React is a JavaScript library to build front end. Yeah, we use it to make our front end more beautiful and make our web application more fast. So we will learn how to use it and we will cover all the basics of React, and as I told you, we will use Materialise CSS for the designing purpose. So without any further delay, let's start our video and let's see what is the course curriculum and course outline. So now let's talk about the course curriculum. I divided this course in two parts. First one is about the React basic and the second part is about Materialise with a React project. First, what we will do throughout this basics. So we will cover every basic of React, like what is state, what is component, what is prop, everything, how we can use lifecycle methods in React. We will cover all of that and I will walk you through everything. And once we are done, we will build a small project where we will see how we can add a blog. Inside our blog, we can use how we can use image in React. Not only that, we will also cover what is route, how we can use route in our React application, and how we can make our React application more beautiful with Materialise CSS. So in case you just want to learn what is Materialise CSS and how to implement Materialise CSS with React, then you can skip the first part and you can just start from the second part. But if you want to learn all the React and the basics of React, then you can start from the very beginning, because I will cover every basic thing of React. So now let's talk about the requirements. So in case if you are curious about the requirement, let me tell you, I don't have a huge requirements for you, but if you have a basic understanding of JavaScript, it will help you, because without JavaScript it will be really tough for you to learn React, and a basic understanding of HTML and CSS will also help you, because we are learning web development here. These are the basic things you have to cover first. So throughout this video, I will be your instructor. I will walk you through everything you need to know. In case you want to reach me out and you are having any problem, you can do that by commenting on the video. Also, you can reach me out throughout the email or Instagram, and surely I will give the reply. And with all that, I will end this video here, and I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know if you enjoyed this, because your feedback is also important. Let me know what you think about the course when you are done. That will help me to upgrade my course and course quality. So thank you guys. You can like the video and also subscribe to my channel for this types of content, and I will see you inside the course. Thank you.